Hello everyone! So today I'm going to be showing you how to make spring rolls. For this recipe, you would need 2 pounds of ground chicken, 1 large shredded cabbage, 1 large green and red bell peppers finely chopped, 8 ounces of shredded carrots, 1/4 cup green onions chopped, 1 large onion finely chopped, 5 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons chopped garlic, 2 tablespoons chopped ginger, 1½ teaspoon of salt, 3 teaspoons of black pepper, 1 egg or all-purpose flour paste, 1/4 cup of oil, spring roll pastries. This recipe will make a large quantity that will be frozen and make about 60 spring rolls. Heat oil in a wok on medium-high heat. Then add onions and fry for a few minutes until translucent. Next, add ginger, and garlic and fry for 1 minute. Then add ground chicken and cook well until all the water is dried. Continue to cook on a medium to high heat. Stir constantly, otherwise the ground chicken will clump together. Water is almost dry, so the next step will be to add carrots and cook for a couple of minutes. Add carrots and cook for a couple of minutes. Add bell peppers, and cabbage, mix well. After mixing well, add salt and black pepper. Mix well and cook for a few minutes. Continue to cook on high heat. Next, add green onions and soy sauce. Mix everything well and then turn off the heat. After turning off the heat, let it cool completely before making the spring rolls. Now watch how spring rolls are made. You can fry the spring rolls immediately or freeze them for about 6 to 8 weeks. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, bye bye now.